This BIOSSANCE Squalane and Omega Repair Cream is the best night cream that I think I've ever tried. You can see I've almost used all of it. I'm using it for about a month now, but I'm really impressed with the results already. The cream is super rich, but it never feels heavy or greasy on my skin. And that's exactly what I look for in a night cream. Like, I want to know it's really moisturizing my skin, but it's not gonna make me break out or get clogged pores. It's really packed with lipids and fatty acids, making it incredibly nourishing. And I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's texture. And I'm over 40, so those anti-aging hydration benefits are really important to me. So the squalane in the cream is also sustainably sourced, and I know it is deeply hydrating my skin. So I apply it right after cleansing, and every morning my skin feels plumper and looks more radiant. So love that this is fragrance free and is suitable for sensitive skin, so I never have to worry about irritation. It's become a staple of my skincare routine, especially during the winter months, and I highly recommend it.